Hi, my name is Patricia, and in each short video, I break down one business analysis technique at a time in under 5 minutes. Let's get into it. Getting stakeholder insights can be tricky. You might not always have time for long interviews, or stakeholders may not feel comfortable sharing everything in person. That's where surveys or questionnaires come in. Quick, structured, and super effective. Surveys and questionnaires are all about collecting structured information from stakeholders. Today, we're exploring how this technique helps business analysts gather targeted data quickly and systematically. Let's talk about how it works. What's the purpose of using a survey or questionnaire? They let you collect feedback quickly, no need to schedule long interviews with everyone. They also allow you to reach large groups at once, which is perfect when stakeholders are spread across teams or locations. And because responses are structured, analyzing trends and insights becomes much easier. Essentially, it's about speed, scale, and clarity. Why do surveys work so well? First, standardized questions ensure consistency. Every stakeholder responds in the same way. Next, offering anonymous responses encourages honest feedback, even on sensitive or uncomfortable topics. And finally, the quantitative data makes it easier to spot patterns and make informed decisions. When is it best to use a survey or questionnaire? Use it when you need to gather data from many stakeholders without scheduling dozens of interviews. It's perfect when you want standardized, comparable data across a group. And if in-person interviews aren't feasible, a survey becomes the ideal alternative. How do you apply surveys effectively? Step 1. Define the objective. Be clear about what you want to learn. Step 2. Design the questionnaire, mixing closed questions for numbers and open questions for deeper insights. Step 3. Distribute it digitally or by email so it's easy for stakeholders to respond. Step 4. Collect and analyze the responses, summarizing trends and key insights to guide decisions. Here's a concrete example. A business analyst at a bank wants to understand how employees feel about a new internal system. To do this efficiently, they design a 10-question online survey. Some questions use rating scales like 1 to 5 to quickly capture satisfaction levels. Other questions are short answer, letting employees explain issues or suggestions in their own words. Once the responses come in, the analyst reviews the trends, identifying which parts of the system employees struggle with most and highlights key improvement areas. They then present these insights to management, offering clear, data-backed recommendations for enhancements. This example shows how surveys deliver structured, actionable feedback while reaching a large group quickly, making it much easier for decision-makers to act on real stakeholder input. What are some pro tips? Keep it short, 10 to 15 questions max, so stakeholders don't get survey fatigue. Mix closed and open questions to balance quantitative and qualitative insights. And always pilot test your survey to catch confusing questions before sending it to everyone. To wrap up, surveys and questionnaires are structured, fast, and scalable tools for capturing stakeholder insights. They help you spot trends, understand needs, and support informed decision-making. Next, we'll explore focus groups, a technique for digging even deeper into stakeholder perspectives. See you then.